So the question given is, a rocket is fired vertically up from the ground with a resultant vertical acceleration of 10 meters per second square. The fuel is finished in 1 minute and it continues to move up. The first question we have to find is, what is the maximum height reached, and the second one is, after how much time from then will the maximum height be reached. So let us take this as the ground level. From here we have fired a rocket. It went up with an vertical acceleration of 10 meters per second square till 1 minute. 1 minute we can take it as 60 seconds. So this is t is equals to 60 seconds. After that, it continues to move as a freely falling body. So after this point it will reach upwards due to its momentum, and again it will be reaching the ground. Now let us name this point as A, B, and the maximum height as C. Between A and B, to find out the distance, I will apply S is equals to ut plus half at square. So initial velocity is 0, so this ut term will be 0. Half at square, this is half into 10 into t square, that is 60 square. This will turn out to be 18,000 meters, or we can write it as 18 kilometers. Similarly, if we want the velocity at point B, let us apply v is equals to u plus at. Initial velocity is 0, so we can write velocity at point B will be is equals to acceleration 10 into time taken 60. So velocity at point B will be 600 meters per second. Next, from B to C. From B to C, the rocket is coming under gravity. So from B to C, we can say acceleration is 10 in downward direction. Downward, I am representing it with negative sign, minus 10 meters per second. So to find the distance BC, we can apply S is equals to ut plus half at square. First, to find the time, this is just like a freely projected body, so you can take it as u by g. Initial velocity is 600 and g 10, so this will be 60 seconds. Substitute this value here. So BC will be is equals to initial velocity 600 into time 60 seconds plus half into acceleration will be minus 10 into t square, 60 square. This will again turn out to be 18,000 meters, or we can say 18 kilometers. So here the total maximum height will be AB 18 kilometers plus BC 18 kilometers, that will be 36 kilometers. First part. Second part, they are asking about after how much time from then will the maximum height be reached. This is already calculated. The time from then, from where the fuel is finished, is 60 seconds, or we can write it as 1 minute. This will be the solution for this question.